It is only a dark sky that can reveal to us the brilliance of the stars. And like a dark sky, this past most challenging year has held many bright spots amongst the shadows. Where was the light? For so many, it was found in nature. Our parks, forest reserves, and open spaces provided a deeply needed escape from the isolation of quarantine, a safe place to strengthen and fortify our bodies and souls. Our gardens became a sanctuary, where we could pour out our anxieties physically, keep our creative sparks alive, and enjoy watching the birds, wildlife, and color those efforts rewarded us with. Our children were able to explore and learn safely with the outdoors as their classroom.
Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
The natural spaces we all turn to this year are there because the visionary people who came before us had the foresight to protect them. They are the conservation heroes of yesterday, and I'm sure they could have never dreamed what a bright spot their efforts have been for us today. Our supporters are the conservation heroes of today, our brightest lights. Because of your loyalty, even in such uncertain times, the Conservation Foundation was able to do so many things.
Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. Sun, 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 here it comes. Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, it's alright. Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, it's alright. It's alright.
We need to fan the flames of the moment we have right now. With other activities shut down or feeling unsafe, so many people went back to the basics and sought the light of nature in our parks and forest preserves. Let's keep them coming back. Let's give them even more places to seek refuge and rekindle their inner light in hard times. Let's keep nature and people close so each can illuminate the other.
Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's
Our spirits and lives have been warmed by the light of nature. Now we must be a light for nature, a bright light that can shine upon our future generations. Thank you for your tremendous support.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, it's alright. It's alright.